Rap sarap mabuhay. Ayan o. Ikaw may makantahan si kambing. Mabuhay, mabuhay. Kambing ay mabuhay. Hello, hello. Kaibigan ko. Na kambing, bing, bing. Kabing, kabing, bing, bing. Hello, mabuhay, kambing. Siya ka, mabuhay.
O kapatid.
Kapatid, mabuhay. Hey, come here. How are you, kambing? Aday umudo, umihi o. Adaw. Ikaw talaga kambing. Na, sige. Sige kason. Hello, mabuhay. Welcome to Barcelona Agri Hope Farm School. Live and direct. Seeing the beautiful farm. Sit down. Dito ka namin.
May agihan lang po.
Hello, hello, hello. Kumusta na kayo? Mga kaibigan ko, kumusta na kayo? Ikaw, yung ka, tabi lang ng ano mo. Naaalala nyo pa ba? Nung tayo ay bata pa, marami tayong kwento na buo sa ating mundo. Nung tayo ay bata pa, tayo ay masaya, tayo ay lumilipad sa ating pangarap. Tayo ay bata pa.
Jomar!
Hello. How are you? I'm good. Yeah. Mabuhay. Yeah, I learned from YouTube. Ano yan? Fiberglass. Welcome to Barcelona. Sorsogon. Philippines, Spain.
Yes, here we are.
Hello. This is our luxury van. Hello, Jomar. Mabuhay. Wala tayong pakialam sa gulo ng kapaligiran. Basta't tayo ay magkasama, tayo ay masaya, tayo ay lumilipad sa sarili nating mundo nung tayo ay bata pa. Let's go! We are in Barcelona. Sorsogon. Hello! Welcome to Barcelona! Hello, ate. What's your name?
Cherry.
Cherry. Ikaw kaya? What's your name? Joseph. Joseph. Sila yung mga Joseph sa amin dito.
Sarap, sarap, sarap.
Farm.
Mapaparap ka sa sarap.
Rap,
Sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap.
oh yeah! Welcome to Barcelona Agri Hope Farm School. Seen the beautiful farm. Hello, baby. Mabuhay! Yeah.
Rap, sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Rap, sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa
Hoy,
sarap.
kumain na ka dyan.
Oh yeah!
Galing ba yan dito sa bar sa farm?
Hindi, yung binibili namin noon pa, di
Ano
ba?
tawag dyan?
Ayun po, na ano?
Ano?
Macarons? Gluternati juice?
Donate.
Rap sarap.
Mabuhay.
Rap,
Yeah.
sarap,
Yung flower.
rap, sarap, sarap.
Gluternati juice.
Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Rap, Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Rap, sarap. Rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Oh yeah!
DAATI for Learning Site for Agriculture and DOT for Farm Tourism Site. And we also partners with TESDA for Farm School. And we also institutional partner with DepEd for Joint Delivery Voucher Program. Mga senior high school naman po yung kinikita namin.
Tree house? Yes. We are going to tree house. Mabuhay. Let's go. We bring the ukulele. Okay. We're going to tree house area.
Rap, sarap,
Guide
sarap.
Jomar and Joseph.
Mapaparap ka sa sarap.
Mabuhay.
Rap, sarap.
You can go.
Rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap.
Jomar.
Oh yeah!
Of Agri Hope Farm, Barcelona. Mabuhay, Jomar.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay! Itong strawberry, oh. Kaya lang, binagyo pa, wala pang bunga. Sa Baguio pa yung maraming strawberry dito sa Barcelona. Magtutubo pa lang.
Citrus. Like lemon or...
This one, grafted citrus, calamansi. Ayun. Citrus, microcarpa. Ayan, calamansi. And they accept TESDA scholars here in Barcelona Agri Hope Farm. Yan, ito ang kanilang classroom, oh. Very maganda.
Pineapple.
Intercrop ng dragon fruit and pineapple. Scene?
Para ma-utilize po yung space.
Yes, that's right. Maximum utilization of space.
Ako dito, may ano na to talaga to.
May
Last
nag-
year lang pa ako dito.
May nag-design dito.
Tapos in-improve ko na this year.
In-improve mo na lang. Very good. Hello, baby.
8 farm workers
Farm workers,
in the
eh?
field.
Yes.
Then we have 3 staff, office staff.
Okay. And you receive the students here
Yes.
to school
Yes.
students.
Scholarship of TESDA.
Okay. To study.
Yes, to study organic agriculture production and C2.
Oh, wow.
In situ.
Yes po.
Certified.
Yes po.
Nice.
Bye.
Ayan, mga turista, oh. They're from Gubat, Sorsogon. Learning area. May kambing, ahiuha, may kanal.
May tunnel sila, oh.
Kinagat na baga ako ng kutitob. Adaw.
Hindi naman nagbabasa siya.
Oh, sige, bidaw, laksi.
This fruit is also called pitaya or pitaya. Is the fruit of a type of cactus called haikulus.
It grows.
It grows primarily in Asia, Mexico, Central America, and South America.
Very good.
Historians think it originated in Central America. It got its name because the pointy outer skin resembles dragon scales. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit that's low in calories
High
and high in
fiber.
and antioxidant.
Yes, Mimi, hello.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah, tingin ka dito, mabuhay.
Yes.
Harap ka dito.
Tingin ka kay Mano.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yes.
Rap, sarap. Rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Rap, sarap. Rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap.
Ano dyan?
Oh yeah!
Di man nakapindot.
Nakapindot na to.
Mabuhay. Tayo ay mabuhay. Abing kambing, me. Ayan, si Abing, oh, may kapatid niya ng mga kambing, oh. Me. Oh, sumagot, di ba? Di ba? Oh, ang sarap dito mag-apak, oh. I walk the earth. Yan. We are here at Barcelona Agri Hope Park. This is pili fruits from pili tree.
Like this.
Ah, okay.
Then inside this is the
nut?
shell.
Oh, wow.
Then-
We still have to break it off.
Yes.
We still have to break this open. For what? We,
Yes.
The
The
nut.
nut that you can eat is inside this. So it has like
three layers.
two layers. Yeah. This one, that one, and no, 3 layers.
May balat pa
Because
yun.
Oh, di ba?
It's like an
That's how to crack
yeah,
the
it tastes like
pili
so it's
nut.
much creamy than an almond.
Sin.
And
Oh, Pao, you eat. Eat na.
I mean the white.
That's our
so
fresh
good.
peanut. Ay, pili nut.
Really good.
Ano ba you eat? Wow, rap sarap. Mabuhay.
And it's the main
Ingredients for perfume.
the perfume, the high-end perfume,
Yes.
the most expensive.
Pili sap, di ba?
Is pili.
Pili sap.
Dun sa sa Southern Night, ginagamit nila yung resin pang tuob daw.
Yeah, it's flammable. Be careful.
Nilalagay nila sa apoy tapos yung parang amoy.
It's nice smell.
Yeah, kaya nga.
Pili sap is flammable. They use for perfume, right?
So good.
Oh, see? This Jomar is
It's really good.
educating us about
Really good,
pili.
yeah.
The
They sell it in bags.
use of pili nuts. Diba? Ito na, kinakausap nila yung kanilang kaibigan na kambing. Hello, kambing! Oh, hello ko no. Na, ito, si kambing, oh. Hello, kambing!
Hello, kambing.
Kambing, kambing, bing, bing. Come here. How are you, kambing? Aday umudo, umihi, oh. Adaw. Ikaw talaga, kambing. Na, sige. Sige, kason. Ayan, oh. Ikaw, makantahan si kambing. Mabuhay, mabuhay. Kambing ay mabuhay. Hello, hello. Kaibigan ko. Na kambing, bing, bing. Kabing, kabing, bing, bing. Hello, mabuhay, kambing. Siya ka, mabuhay.
O kapatid.
Kapatid, mabuhay.
Kapatid ano? Huwag ka lumapit. Huwag ka lumapit.
Punta na tayo sa tree house. Tara na.
Monkey ka.
Dali na, hanap tayo ng tree house doon. Punta natin ng tree house. Dali, dali. Na, let's go. This is paradise in Barcelona. Kamali na naman ako. Kaloka. See the beautiful Agri Hope Farm.
Kapatid, di naman nagsasalita.
Mao.
Umihi pati sa ano, umihi.
Oh, umihi tayo. Si Pao. Oh. This is a visitor Pao from Southern Leyte and Ormoc. Mabuhay. Ayawa ko mo ito. Ayan.
Malibobot ka huwag ka ng bakor na mabuhay. Mabuhay, mabuhay.
Rap sarap,
sarap,
mabuhay. The river daw dito. May river sa, ayun, sa ilalim mo. May river nga, ang ganda. See? Do you hear? Very serene and tranquil. Wow. See?
Baby, oh, ikaw.
Ayan, pinakain nilang kambing ding ding. Yung isa naman pakaon naman yun sa bibig.
Sige na, baby.
Hawakan mo lang.
Ali, baby.
Ay, sorry.
Yung isa naman.
Kainin mo.
Ito sa kabila naman, baby, oh.
Yun. Parang ito.
Yung isa nang pakauna.
Ito, baby. Hawakan mo.
Ayan. They are feeding.
Ito na ako to, baby.
Kambing, bing, 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 bing. Sin? Mabuhay, mabuhay.
Mapaparap ka
Crunchy.
Narasarapan si kambing din.
Ay, Diyos ko, ang taba mo.
Hindi naman
Ano pagkain?
Crunchy nga man.
Ilang hektar itong farm nyo?
1 hectare po.
1 hectare? Wow!
Ang ginagawa mo. Pig!
Ayan na. May mga baboy dito.
Si Kuya Ali.
Organic ito. Hello, baboys.
Ikaw!
Adaw, cute. Hello, baboy. Yes, baboy, oh, cute. Na, sige.
Estos gorditos.
Yes.
Mis amores, cariño. Mira qué guapo.
Yeah.
Guapo. If he comes, I can touch him.
Ano yan, late native? Ah, native. Hindi naman baboy mo yan, no?
Hola. Parang si baby yung
We can touch this. This this only we can touch. But we can touch this. The pigs there.
Nagdududo, oh. Diyan ka na lang magdudo, bebe.
Look at this pili tree.
Ang laki ng ugat
Very big. Oh, seen? Diba? Sa Bukid View Deck. Ada, we will go there later. Jomar will take us. Hindi. Yan. Para matanggal sa wire. Yun. Nice, Joseph. You're going to tree house. Ayan, sabi ni Joseph, aming tour guide.
Kapit na mag-clearing sa...
Ang tree house ay nakadikit sa pili tree. See? The tree house. Yan, slowly. Baby, wait for Tita Pau. Yan, sakat. Yan, nasa tree house na baga sila, oh. Ayan. Ayan na si Pau Pau, oh, kasama si baby.
Ayaw niya nang lumapit.
Ayan na yung mga friend, oh, sa baba.
They don't want to come closer to dad.
Yan ang Mount Joy. With baby.
Rap, sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Rap, sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Oh yeah!
Ay, ang sleeper ko nabilin.
Maganda pa nakasakay ka.
Nabilin ako ng kasama ko kay nabilin ko ba nga sleeper ko doon. And the kangkong. Ah, no, kamote pala. Sorry. Lagi ako nagkakamali. Kaloka.
Rap, sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Rap, sarap, rap, sarap, sarap. Mapaparap ka sa sarap. Oh yeah!
Bye-bye. Action!
This is AgriHope Farm School in Barcelona.
Mabuhay! Ito. Yan. How many hectare?
We have AgriHope is almost 1 hectare.
Ah, okay. Nice. Yan. Come here and visit the Barcelona AgriHope Farm. Sorsogon, mabuhay! Go!
Hello from AgriHope here in Barcelona, in Sorsogon, the Philippines. I'm Isabel Núñez and I'm visiting today the farm, and I'm so impressed because I had the first-hand experience to taste the pili nut for the first time in my life. Really, really good. But not also the nut from the tree, but also from the young baby plant, which is different taste, right?
Yeah.
And also, you know, for me, it's remembering my time when I was a kid. And usually my school in Spain, we have a very small garden, nothing compared to this. And with the view, with the mountain, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's a great experience, not only for adults, but also for the kids that are growing and are learning.
Yes.
And to be connected to nature and how we can, you know, progress in society, for the community, but also always in connection with nature.
Yes. About you, Pao?
Yeah, maraming salamat po sa pagpa-visit
Invite.
sa amin dito. Ang ganda po ng lugar nyo. Napakasaya po tingnan na meron kayong iba't ibang collection ng mga tanim. At saka meron kayong mga processing plant for mga crops dito. And ang saya din tingnan ng view deck nyo at saka yung mga pili nuts.
Okay. Mabuhay!
Yeah. Bye!
Mabuhay!
Okay lang, audio Kuya Manu?
Yes.
Hello! Hi!
Hello, mabuhay!
Hi! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay from Agri Hope.
Yeah, farm, Barcelona.
Agri Hope Farm. In Barcelona. Wait, let's wait for the kids.
Sorsogon.
Sorsogon. In the Philippines.
Yes.
Hello!
Hello, kids.
Daan po kayo.
One more.
The pili nuts!
1, 2, 3. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Yeah.
Thank you, Agri Hope.
Yeah, thank you.
Ayan, pupunta kami sa view deck ng Barcelona. Dadaling kami ni Jomar. Hello, Tan Tan from Barcelona, Agri Hope Farm. Ano ka dito, Tan?
Driver.
Driver ng farm. Nice. Thank you, Tan. To our limousine. Bye-bye. We're going to view deck of Barcelona. This is our friend Tan Tan.
Giant fish is a Christmas. You see a mom.